I'm back with another mukbang, truck bang challenge. Come get you some. Bussin', 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 bussin'. We finna get it in. Bussin', bussin', bussin'. Hey, Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. Bussin', 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 bussin'.
Good Lord.
Bussin', bussin'.
That smoke flavor that you're savoring.
Amen.
I'm back with another truck bang. Hey, today we got a Jamaican jerk turkey sandwich, turkey sub sandwich with some bacon, some lettuce, some tomato, some mayo, and some jerk seasoning on that thing. Ain't never heard of turkey and jerky or turkey and jerk before, but we finna see how good it is. And we got some barbecue chips and a cookie. I was gonna get some chili, but I said no, boy. I said no, it ain't cold enough for some chili. I'm finna get it in. And we got some Fanta Zero cherry to drink. We finna say grace kinfolk, and I'm finna mosey on to work after I eat this sandwich. Come get you some. Amen. Ooh, I wonder how this tastes. Is it? Get that thumbnail. Put that cookie up there. Can you see it? Bring it, nope. Bring it back some? Yeah. Bring it back some. Put the Martha Vickers cookie out there. Take chips. Yeah. Take a look at that. Let me show you the sandwich. I'm just stupid. I'm finna cut. Whatever. Ting. Okay, here we go. That's bussin'. That's bussin', man, for real. Y'all know all I like is turkey wings. But this jerk season on this sandwich, all I can say is, ooh, it's so good. It's delicious. Keep gnawing my head. This is the best sandwich I done had from Firehouse. And Firehouse got a lot of delicious sandwiches. They got a barbecue Cuban sandwich. It got pickles on it. I ain't get that one. I ain't get that one. Y'all say you could have got it without the pickle. Nah, because that's the first time you having it. I wanted everything on it, you know, for the first time. But I just can't do the pickle. I had to miss out on that. How y'all doing there, kinfolk? Is everything copacetic? Good. That's real good. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I did. Well, yesterday I did. Went to Bad Austin. It was the time of my grandbaby. It didn't start off good. I want to be petty so bad, but I ain't. Because I'm right in my pettiness. When I started off there, when I went there, me and Faye pulled up, and my grandbaby was at her grandmother's house, who wasn't home. She was like 45 minutes away. So I was hot already. So I was outside that house for like an hour. I said, Money, she ain't here. Because Money was somewhere else, so she was gonna come when I got there. So all three of us outside the house waiting for her, and I'm calling her other grandmama. Huh? That didn't sound right. I'm calling the baby's grandma, and she ain't picking up. So in my head, I'm going back 22 years ago. 22 years ago, like, that's why. That's why I left her monkey head. That's why. I just so disrespectful. And we was gonna vlog yesterday. But I wasn't in the mood after all that happened. Money, Faith looking at me like, oh no, it'd be okay, Daddy. I mean, nah, this is real disrespectful. Then she finally gonna call back. I'm betting to y'all, cause y'all kinfolk. Then she finally gonna call back. Hey, hey, I want to cuss so bad. She said, hey, I said, where you at? And no, hey, nothing. She said, you knew I was coming today. I had to go get my mama something to eat. My mama living in a different town. She got some bad relations. If she can't get nobody from her own town to get her something to eat, I don't get it. Got no friends there. Uber Eats. Grubhub, whatever. And her mama is not broke. I said, how long you gonna be? She wanna talk about how long you gonna be? Oh, I'm not past the Cecil exit line, blah, blah, blah. Okay, bye. And when real people out, when she got there, she had like, my grandbaby ain't gonna know me. My grandbaby looking over her. I said, girl, move out the way. Let me get her out the car. Hey. She said, hey, your granddaddy. Grandbaby said, hey, Papa. I said, yeah, that's right. I don't know who you want her to call Papa, but it ain't them. It's me. Get your ass out the way. I was hot, boy. I was hot. That's why, right there. Monty was sitting there looking at me. I said, no, don't say nothing. You just don't say that. I got this. I was hot. I'm sorry, y'all. And she walking across the grass now? Yeah, because she's trying to get to her pawpaw. I was like, yeah. She don't walk across the grass with you. But she see her pawpaw, she come walk across the grass. You better believe it. I had so many words, but I was like, move, we want to talk. Get out of my face. Bye. Hey, you hot, boy. I'm hot like fire. My mama told me. Okay. Anyway, after we got over that, boy, we had a ball. We went and bought some stuff. We went out to eat. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Forgive me. We almost got kicked out of Walmart because Gracie wanted to play. But that was there to get her a gift. We bought money some stuff. Yeah. She just needed some like throw blankets or whatever for Gracie. And I bought a little a frozen something. Frozen cart. And I went over there to price the bikes. It was another one. It was just a little too small for me. The tires was a little too small. It was on clearance too. It was on clearance. And we were looking for a basket for her bike. I would have got it, but it was the tire just a little too small. But Grace has seen a ball that she wanted to play with, and then she seen where all the other balls came from. And she wanted to play with all them, boy. I said, we finna get kicked out of here. We was throwing balls and she was screaming. She a good baby. Don't cry about nothing. She potty trained. I said, man, I'm finna take her home with me. Cause that's the only reason I ain't got a dog, because I can't potty train. She like to eat like me. The only thing she fussed about, we ain't feeding her fast enough. She said, And she could talk now. He said, I love you. A little said, I love you. I said, I love you too. She just throwing balls and golf. She found a golf ball throwing it. I said, how ghetto you got to be to get kicked out of Walmart? I said, we got to go. He said, what you, how come you can't go in Walmart no more? We got kicked out. Man, what did you do? Did you try and get him some fake food stamps or something? What did you do? You gotta be real ghetto to get kicked out of Walmart. Did you fight the manager? Nope, my grandbaby took over. Did I show y'all the sandwich? There you go. You see that? It's delicious. That's one of the best sandwiches I've never had. I'm sorry. We went out to eat. To a hibachi grill. She talking about, you sure the fire ain't gonna scare the baby? And mine said no. Because I was skeptical too. I was skeptical about it too. I lit that stuff on fire, the investments on fire, Gracious saying, yay! I said, good Lord, what do we have here? He trying to make the spatula hit loud on the grill to scare her. Only one who jumped at that table was me. Oh, I said, huh? Grace was like, He like, what's wrong with you? Why you jumping? No reason. And how about you, dude? He gonna be in prison one day. Cause it was 3 girls. It was 1, 2, 3, and I was 4, and mine was favorite 5, and mine was 6. And the 1, 2, 3 girls, and he was flirting with them. And if he ever touch them girls, the next thing he hears gonna be, you had a right to remain silent. They wasn't into him or nothing. He was just saying slick stuff. He said one time he say, oh, hey y'all, he said we played a trick on her. Hey, me love you long time. I say, they ain't even buzzed when he said that. I would have asked for a manager. He said, ooh, come back and see me love you long time. He said like 2 or 3 times. And I looked at him, and Money looked at me, I say, I ain't their daddy, but if they need me to be, I will. Cause he tripping. He on the verge of tripping. He said, very beautiful. I said, okay now, keep it up. He said something else, but I forget. Basically, they gonna send him back across the water. For sure. He gonna get his visa denied. He keep that up. Cause they gonna go home and tell their daddy, cause I think they were triplets. Cause all of them looked alike. One girl dropped her phone and she said, excuse me, sorry. She touched me on my arm. I said, girl, I'm finna call the police on you, cause you ain't finna have me locked up. You better not touch me ever again. If you see your napkin, you take your napkin, you wipe that off right there. They might, if anything, they might have been 17. Excuse me. They might have been 17. They could have been 18, but he going to jail. He was real pursuant at it. He tripping. If they was my daughters, boy, you wouldn't have lasted the night. When she dropped the phone, I went to pick it up. I said, girl, I thought that was a rat. I was finna stomp on it. You even have to have a new phone plan. You hear me? Nothing. But yeah, we had this good old time. I didn't want to come back, but Faith had to go to school today. It's how it be. It's how it be, man. When your families don't work out, that's how it be. You got them broken home families. When your grandbaby live in a different city than you, how it be when you're chasing a dream, and not on this dream gonna last, it begin to be a nightmare. What up? Oh boy, that woo. That live on Saturday. That live on Saturday. Oh, you can't watch it because it's on private. I had me a good old blueberry lemonade drink, which had me feeling right. Boy, some people are saying some crazy stuff in there. Somebody paid her $23,000 for sucking their toes. And people was like, I want to suck no toes. I ain't sucking nobody. I don't do toes either. Y'all know I don't do toes. But I might have to rearrange, reevaluate my policy for $23,000. I'ma soak them in some Listerine, scrub them real good. I had them scrub them real good. I just poured the Listerine in the water and said, "Here, baby, you do what you do. Let me see the cash first. Let me see the cash." I'm sorry, $23,000? I don't do it. Y'all do worse stuff for free. Y'all do worse stuff for free. Thinking them Negroes ain't gonna never leave. I'm gonna keep him. This gonna keep him. He gone. Remember you said that? Remember you said whatever you did to him, it was gonna keep him in the house, or gonna keep her in the house? They gone. Remember that? So you telling me you ain't gonna do this for $23,000? I'm talking about money stacked so tall, I don't wanna fall. I'm talking about $23,000. That ain't no life-changing money, but hey, you get the bills paid for a couple of months, for a few months. Some stuff could be paid off, some credit cards. You can get you some new furniture. You know that the couch always rocking. You got a little curly, furly spurs on it, so people just sliding on the sofa. Some of your couches smell like booty, because when you're gone, your grown-ass son be sitting on the sofa in his drawers. So, or her. When you gone home, and you come back and say, "What's that smell in here? Get up and clean up this house, boy." Get you a new sofa. Tell him get it on. I'm just saying, $23,000 for a minute. I do it for a minute. Soak it in Epsom salt and Listerine for 24 hours. Ooh, excuse me. Tell me you wouldn't do it. You done did nasty stuff than that for free. I ain't gonna say what you did nasty, but you know what I'm trying to say, but you had to go to the live to hear what I really wanted to say. Because the kids watching, you know what I'm saying? Kids. Hey man, work hard on your relationships and do good in school. So get you a good job and a nice woman or a nice man. You ain't have to sit here and fuss with people talking about they wouldn't suck a toe for $23,000. You crazy? I suck the wax out. Never mind. I wouldn't do that. That's nasty. Let me finish this. And this is the last bite. You gotta cook it right there. And the last bite is the best bite ever. I wasn't gonna do no video, but it's 5 days out the rest of this month. I'm trying to go finish strong for the year. Sometimes you got to back off from YouTube because you see all the fakeness and stuff going on, and if you ain't got nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. But I said, nah, let me see if I can get something out of this. Somebody say, D, I promise you, just push hard, especially around the holidays, that revenue gonna come up and you'll be able to pay your electric bill and your water bill with this check. I said, okay. I was finna chill out. Ooh, look at this cookie. I'm just eating it like y'all in here. Oh, yeah. Somebody say, man, we don't want to hear all that corny stories you be telling. We just here to watch you eat. Then it said something else. They had the N-word in it. YouTube ain't let me see it. Hey, this cookie is quite delicious. It's a good day for Firehouse. It's a good day for Firehouse. And I say, Starboy 36. Guess what? All you can do is look. Cause you can't comment no more. Ha! I ain't black 'em, but I muted the out of them. You better believe I did that. So all he got is, if you wanna, cause it's a couple of videos he be looking at. He be, man, why you always complaining? I'll tell you what, you can just look. Cause I don't really care how you feel. Got him! Ha ha! Muting somebody. Okay, you watch the video, you always complaining. I'm gonna take care of that. You can keep watching. I just ain't got to hear it. Boy, who knew? I did that to somebody else a couple of months back. Got my gym clothes over there. It's time to be great, man. I'm sick of it. Wherever I'm lacking at, I'm finna fix it. I'm going to work, going to the gym after work. Wherever I'm lacking, I'm finna fix it. Only thing stopping you from being great is you. That's it. Let me get a hug from him. Without struggle, there's no victory. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share with everybody. Share my videos, please. If that helps. If y'all think it don't help, don't do it. Cause I don't know. But yeah, man, I'm finna head to work. I'm gonna go to the gym. I bring sexy back for 2022. Help me find my boo. And continue to bring some content to you. What you wanna do? Bars. I love y'all, man. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay kinfolk.
Bussin', bussin', bussin'. We got the